Hello everyone, welcome to the series on famous heroines in Shakespeare's plays. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Viola from his play Twelfth Night. Introduction. In Twelfth Night, Viola is a figure of remarkable complexity and depth. Her intelligence, wit, emotional resilience, and disguise-driven interactions make her one of Shakespeare's most intriguing heroines. Viola's journey through the play is marked by love, identity exploration, and the navigation of social dynamics, all while she is disguised as a young man, Cesario. This video delves into the various aspects of Viola's character, examining her strengths, vulnerabilities, relationships, and the thematic significance she holds within the play, supported by relevant quotes. Intelligence and wit. Viola's intelligence and wit are evident from the moment she decides to disguise herself as Cesario to navigate the unfamiliar land of Illyria. Her quick thinking and adaptability allow her to secure a position in Duke Orsino's court, where she becomes his trusted page. Viola's sharp mind and ability to engage in clever banter are showcased in her interactions with other characters, particularly Olivia and Orsino. In Act 1, Scene 5, Viola as Cesario engages in a witty exchange with Olivia, displaying her verbal dexterity. Viola: "It is beauty truly blent, whose red and white nature's own sweet and cunning hand laid on. Lady, you are the cruelest she alive, if you will lead these graces to the grave, and leave the world no copy." Viola's ability to navigate complex social situations with charm and intelligence makes her a compelling character. Disguise and gender roles. Viola's decision to disguise herself as Cesario is central to the play's exploration of gender roles and identity. This disguise allows her to interact with Orsino and Olivia in ways that would be impossible as a woman in Elizabethan era. Through her disguise, Viola subverts traditional gender roles, highlighting the fluidity of identity and the performative nature of gender. In Act 2, Scene 4, Viola as Cesario discusses love with Orsino, revealing her own feelings while maintaining her disguise. Viola: "My father had a daughter loved a man, as it might be, perhaps, were I a woman, I should, your lordship." This dialogue underscores the complexity of Viola's situation, as she must navigate her own emotions while maintaining her male persona. Emotional resilience and vulnerability. Despite her strength and intelligence, Viola is not immune to vulnerability and emotional turmoil. Her unrequited love for Orsino and the challenges posed by her disguise create inner conflict. Viola's resilience is evident in her ability to maintain her composure and navigate these difficulties with grace. In Act 2, Scene 2, Viola reflects on the complications of her disguise and the love triangle involving herself, Orsino, and Olivia. Viola: "O time, thou must untangle this, not I. It is too hard a knot for me to untie." This soliloquy reveals Viola's awareness of the complex situation she is in and her hope for time to resolve the entangled emotions. Relationships. Viola's relationships with other characters are central to the play's narrative and her development. Her bond with Orsino, initially based on loyalty and service, deepens as she falls in love with him. Their interactions, marked by mutual respect and growing affection, highlight Viola's sincerity and emotional depth. Her relationship with Olivia is also significant, as Cesario Viola becomes the object of Olivia's affection, creating a comedic yet poignant love triangle. Olivia's attraction to Cesario underscores the themes of mistaken identity and the fluidity of love. In Act 3, Scene 1, Olivia expresses her feelings to Cesario, unaware of Viola's true identity. Olivia: Cesario, by the roses of the spring, by maidhood, honor, truth, and everything, I love thee so, that maugre all thy pride, nor wit nor reason can passion hide. This declaration adds layers to the play's exploration of love and identity. Thematic significance: Viola's character is central to the play's exploration of themes such as love, identity, and the nature of gender. Her disguise as Cesario allows Shakespeare to delve into the complexities of love and attraction, challenging societal norms and expectations. Viola's experiences highlight the fluidity and performative aspects of gender, questioning rigid definitions and showcasing the diversity of human emotions and relationships. Conclusion: Viola is a multifaceted and dynamic character whose intelligence, wit, emotional resilience, and disguise-driven interactions make her one of Shakespeare's most intriguing heroines. Her journey through Twelfth Night is marked by love, identity exploration, and the navigation of social dynamics, all while she is disguised as Cesario. Through Viola, Shakespeare explores themes of love, identity, and the fluidity of gender roles, making Twelfth Night a rich and enduring work. Viola's legacy as a character who embodies strength, wit, and compassion continues to resonate with audiences, cementing her place as one of Shakespeare's most memorable creations. So this was the discussion on the character of Viola from Shakespeare's play Twelfth Night. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.